What you see on top is the Coup 1929 golf bag coupe Buick. All the sheet metal here for it, except for the doors. I've got doors that are close, but a person could make it if you're doing a street rod or however you want to do it. Grill is inside. The deck lid's here. It was a rumble seat, so I think even the housing pretty much there. The little door you see on top is the golf bag door.
We have a rare opportunity here. The entire Stere classic car collection is going up for sale. Dale and Edie are thinking about relocating, and if they do, they'd prefer not to take it with them. Now, this is western Montana, so our cars simply do not rot away. The condition they roll in is the condition they roll out. That's the beauty of living up here. I do not speak for Dale, nor do I dicker on his behalf. You'll have to contact him directly, though you'll find that information in the video description. If you've ever coveted any of the cars you've seen here on Nelson Studios, now is the time to act.